everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little beauty haul, Amazon and Sephora. So I have boxes here, Amazon box, my Sephora box. We're gonna do a little unboxing. So let's start with Sephora. This is gonna be a pretty quick video anyways. Okay, so I have a couple of products from Sephora, and I'm going to start with Superfood Skin Drip. Is a serum that I've got. I love this brand. This is a fantastic company. All their ingredients are super clean, feels so good on your skin. I have been using their facial cleanser. I think it's called Kale Superfood facial cleanser. It's one of my favorite facial cleansers on the market. So I'm super excited to try this serum. Also, it's green, looks healthy. I don't know, somehow whenever I see something that's green, I have a feeling like it's good for you in a way. This is Smooth and Glow Serum. It's kale plus peptide, dandelion root, niacinamide, and postbiotic. It's amazing. I think I'm going to use this probably in the morning. Oh my god, I just used a lot of it. Oh, I don't like wasting products, so I just wasted a little bit of the product. I just wanted to smell it to tell you guys how it feels, but it smells clean. There's no specific smell to it, but it does already make my skin feel great. So yeah, this is product number 1. So excited to try this. I'm gonna try it out with you guys eventually. The next product is Rhode. Thanks, Hailey Bieber. Glazing Milk. Funny story, I was in Sephora a few days ago and there was this little girl. I swear to God, she looked like she was 12 years old. I was looking at the Rhode products and she came to me and she said, "You have to try this. You have to get it." I was like, okay, sure. So I eventually got it. I know it was sold for some time. It was really hard to get it from Sephora. It's called Glazing Milk. You can use it, I don't know, you can use it, I guess, before makeup, before your moisturizer, as a moisturizer. There's so many different ways you can use it, and I just cannot wait to try it. I'll let you guys know what I think. Moving on to the next product, which is the Hourglass palette. It's called Ambient Lighting Palette, Volume 2. I'm a big fan of their palettes. They are the best I've tried so far. Those little luxuries you want to invest in. And yeah, look at these colors. What I love about these is their multifunctionality. So you can use this as a bronzer, as a powder, as a setting powder. You can use it as a highlighter. You can use it as an eyeshadow. There's so many ways you can use this. And this is like one of those expensive shit that's worth it. Definitely this palette. I wanted to get their bigger palette from Sephora and I have it from before. I think I only have, like, it comes off is in 6 different colors, but they don't have it. Right now they only have their holiday collection, which they didn't have the shades that I want. So I got this one, and this is like expensive shit that's worth it. Definitely. Love, love, love. Okay, I got some samples. I got a Jo Malone floral scent. Is it? Yeah, it's a floral scent. Frangipani flower. Never tried this one. It smells pretty nice. I kind of like it. And I also got these lip glosses to try. Oh, sorry, they're brightening under eye correctors. Lighting corrector. I'm gonna try this one out and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is a little bit from Sephora. Okay, now let's move on to Amazon. Big package, very heavy too. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Got my knives. Do not use your knives. Try to use something else. Maybe knives are too sharp to open boxes. Envelope opener would be good, I guess. Get rid of the junk first. Okay, I don't even know. Okay, let's start with Crossix. I don't know if this is the right way to pronounce it. It's Crossix under eye patches. Love, love under eye patches. Oh my god, I love it. Tip, keep it in the fridge so they're cold and cool when you put them on in the morning. Oh my god, I love it. Keep them on until like the patch is dry. You have to like throw it away. So that would be like probably at least 30-45 minutes to an hour. To open this, it's not really working with me. Okay, I'm like the worst package opener, and this is a proof. Look at this, no patience whatsoever, and this is what happens. And sorry for the noise coming from outside. I don't know, I guess they're doing something. Okay, so yeah, the Peptide Collagen Hydrogel Eye Patch. Oh, love it. Oh, exactly what I need. Beautiful packaging. Let's open it. Oh, it was sticked. What are they drilling right now? I don't get it. Very nice. You can open it up like here. Oh, beautiful pink patches. I'm gonna keep the whole thing in my fridge, and I will use them as needed. Oh, so moisturized. Perfection. Pure perfection. Someone's really drilling right now, and it's driving me crazy. Like, why are they drilling Friday at 5 p.m.? The audacity. Okay, so that's it. That's number one. Okay, let's move on to... Okay, serum. This is by Anwa. Anwa's niacinamide. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is a Korean product. This should be a Korean serum. Huge fan of Korean cosmetics. I literally cannot wait to go back to Korea to buy a bunch of stuff, or Japan, or anywhere in Asia where I can get my hands on Korean products for cheaper. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Pink serum. Niacinamide serum. How to use, apply an appropriate amount to the skin. Yeah, I would just use this after cleansing my face before moisturizers. I'll try it out and let you know what I like, how I like it. Okay, moving on to the Glow Butter Body Lotion. Multi-oil body butter. Very interesting. Oil-infused formula that deeply conditions and hydrates skin. This product is highly rated on Amazon, and oh, look at this again. This is what happens to me. Targeting me with this product quite some time, and reviews are great, so I had to give it a shot. I love a good moisturizer. It has to be like, it has to smell the specific way, it has to feel the specific way, and it has to like leave the lasting impression on your skin in a specific way for me to tick all the boxes. And this one smells, it smells like a good cookie. Well, it's shea butter. It smells good. Let's just give it a little try, like here, to see. Does it dry fast? Does it make your skin feel moisturized? Is it sticky? Smells so good. It's not a strong smell, which I like. I hate when products leave like a very strong factory smell, you know, when it does not feel like soothing. Oh my god, this one feels great. I think I'm gonna really like this one. Okay, moving on. I've got my gua sha. Finally, can't wait to try it. Why are these products so hard to open, all of them? My gua sha. I've never had one, so super excited. I'm gonna massage my skin like this, and then move it like that, and then push it down. Like, I've seen so many TikToks, I feel like I already know how to do it, but I'll get another refresher, of course, when the time comes. I've got this Pure Adore. I love this brand. It's such a good brand. I love the ingredients they use. Everything is so clean. It's like no parabens, no synthetic fragrances, no artificial colorants. Like, it's organic. It's like so good for you. And this time I got the vitamin E oil, which I'm going to use with my gua sha. And it was a really good price on Amazon, so I'm excited. Okay. Then I've got a hand cream, because you always need a good hand cream, especially when the weather is getting colder. This one is J.R. Watkins. Sounds like a French brand. It's coconut and honey, my favorite scents. Love the smell of coconut and vanilla. And I mean, the honey smells good too, but it's just like, put coconut in anything and I'm gonna love it. Great, can't wait to try it. great price too. Then I got a little lip balm, because you also need lip balms as the weather gets colder. Oh, this is so small. I thought this was going to be bigger packaging. Squeeze Me Lip Balm. It's by e.l.f. Yeah, it looks good. This is not focusing. But yeah, strawberry. Let's see if it smells like strawberry. It actually does. So, surprisingly, smells good. Okay. Then I got this deodorant. It's by Native. Coconut and vanilla again. Now this one's coconut vanilla. The other one was coconut and honey. Aluminum free and paraben free. Ooh, something dropped. Oh, this one. I guess you want to close it with this. I want to use products that are good for me and that are good for my skin, and when I was researching, this one is like made with very simple ingredients. No aluminums, no salts. It's just organic, healthy for you, good for you, and good for your skin. So yeah, super excited to try it, and I hope this one is good. I will keep you guys posted. Then I got some masks. I love sheet masks, so I got these JM Solutions, this brand. I used to buy in Korea, I used to buy in Japan, I bought some in Hong Kong, and I kept ordering some from Amazon as I got back home, because I love the brand, I trust them, I know they're doing a great job. It's a great price too, so you can get a lot of masks. This is a Korean product, and this packaging has, I think it says 7 masks. I'm not sure. I really do not understand anything it says here. I would say there's 7 masks. It's a big packaging though, so I wouldn't be surprised if there are 10 masks. But yeah, this one should be really good. Then I got Biodance. Oh, my favorite. If you ask me to pick one thing out of this haul, would be the Biodance masks. But this time I got the Hydroceranol Real Deep Mask. Hyaluronic acid solution, glacier water, panthenol, ceramide. Really good ingredients. Great brand. I love the fact that you can keep this mask on for hours. Even you can wear it overnight, or what I usually do is I put them on my flights, and it just makes your skin, it's like you got, your skin looks like you got a really expensive facial after you're done with this mask. Okay, now I left a couple of things for the end of my vlog, and those are Medicube. This is the new brand I'm gonna start using, but first let me get my coffee. Sorry for the mess in the back. I'm so sorry. I was just trying to find a good place for videoing, so yeah, sorry. So let's see, Medicube. Let's start first with this collagen jelly cream. I think this is the one that comes like in bubbles. I think it is, because there's like something in here. Medicube with don't even know what side you're supposed to use, but I guess I would say probably, I don't know, I actually don't know. Are there any instructions on here? Oh, great, I'm sure there are many instructions on TikTok. Open it. Let's see how this baby looks inside. This is jelly. I don't know. This is not what I expected. I thought I'm gonna buy the one that comes with like those little jelly balls inside, but actually this is not. Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. It has a lot of collagen, so I guess it's good for you. You can probably use it as a moisturizer or as a serum or both. So yeah, Medicube, I've heard it's a great brand. So excited to try it. Never had Medicube products, so I got quite a few this time. I got this PDRN Pink Collagen Gel Mask. It's sodium DNA niacinamide, hydrolyzed collagen. This one should be with salmon DNA. This is how the mask packaging looks like. Yeah, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how I'm excited to try this sheet mask. Like, so freaking excited. There's only 4 of them inside, so let's just open to see how they look like individually, because I am like dying to see, honestly. They look like simple pink. Pretty good, I guess. Okay, this should be really good, but we'll see. Okay, let's see more from Medicube. Then I got PDRN Pink Caffeine Night Wrapping Mask, and it's like fully closed on. This is interesting. Let's open this with my little knifey wifey. Okay, and got this. This should be another mask that you can put on and probably leave overnight. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Pretty pink packaging. What girl doesn't like pink packaging? After cleansing, apply it, wait 15 minutes. Remove the wrapping layer the next morning. So leave it overnight. You probably like, you gotta peel it off in the morning, I guess. Night care. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. Probably gonna try it tonight. And I also got this, oh I know, so the jelly cream is with this thing. They come together. That makes sense. I was like, when did I couldn't even remember that I ordered a jelly cream. So I got this little device that you're supposed to use with jelly cream. Ooh, let's see it. Booster Pro Mini. Why mini? Nice. Look at this. Yay. Guys, can't wait to try this too. Ooh, the fancy, like, oh yeah, they put it on and then they use it to stimulate the collagen production and collagen integration into your skin from the cream. So this one should do wonders for your skin, but we'll see. Yeah. Anyways, that should be it to my little vlog. Hope you guys liked it. And yeah, feel free to leave any comments and let me know if you've tried any of these products and how they work for you, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted on how they work for me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.